Right, hello everybody. This is just the new kit that I brought out. As you know, I like to do a little video to put onto Etsy to show you what you get in. There's 20 pages in this kit. It's William Morris, some other, you know, very similar sort of to William Morris. That might be William Morris, I can't remember, because I grouped them all together ages ago, ready to do this, and just got round to it. But I've done sort of like put an autumn palette together. I think that's the other way around. So they're working really well. It's lovely. They might all be upside down, I don't know. There we go. That one's, yeah, that one's lovely. Love it. That's there. And that's that one. And the greeny one. I think they look like sort of little acorns. They're not, but they look like that. I really like this one. Some more greens. This one here. So that's, you know, the reds. And then I've got some marble papers. And these are really beautiful. I think they're printed lovely. Really lovely. That is just shouts autumn, doesn't it? And that one, just beautiful. Love them. Oh, this one, brilliant colours. And there, and there, and that one. There we go. Okay, well, thank you very much, everybody, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.